What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. So I've been at the headquarters today working on a little project, some stairs, and I'm laying them out right now. One of the main things I would say when you're laying out is, before a lot of people like to jump into it and start tacking things, I would say line everything out first. Make sure all the parts fit and things of that nature. Then start tacking, and then start welding once you know. Don't weld until you get it completely done and you know it's tacked up and it's ready to go, because you hate to weld something and you got to cut it and redo it and add more work on yourself. I don't like double working myself, so I like to take my time. But I'm sitting here now, man. Like I say, I got pretty much a few things lined out that I've been working on today. I'm gonna show y'all what I got going. Tomorrow, my goal is to I've been cleaning up pieces. I got some more to clean up, but I think it's about to start raining, so I'm gonna shut it down for a second. But I'm gonna clean it up and weld it out tomorrow, and then weld it out, clean it up, and then start on the paint and stuff like that. So let y'all check out what I got going. So here goes the layout, and this is going to be a 5-step design. And I used to work in a fabrication shop in Arkansas, and I swear everything, when we was laying out staircases and other different things, they used to always have us lay it out on the floor. And they had a big shop, so we'll lay it out on the floor, because every different staircase or pitch and stuff like that is different. But you can cheat it if you can lay it out and see exactly the dimensions, and then you work it out from the center or work it out from the side, or however, to get your measurements right. So I got on this one, he wanted a little custom, so I had to lay it out different than what I normally do. But I do like this layout, so I'm gonna copy it and keep it, so that way someone else might want one. And this is a with his 2 pieces of wood at the top, and then there's 4 steps. And only reason he got 4 steps in this one was because of the height of his trailer. This is going to a trailer, so it's a little taller. So I lay everything out. I match all my pieces up, as you see, to make sure everything line out. And then once I get all my pieces cut and cleaned up, I fall back, and then that's when I start doing the rest of the prepping and cutting. I still got a couple pieces I got to clean the burrs and stuff off the ends of them. But that's what I've been doing today, man, laying it out, utilizing what I got during the quarantine. I got 2 of these actually that I'm doing, and both of these right here is going to knock me right knocking on $1,000. So and you'd be surprised. Like I say, I'm doing this in my yard, sitting down, passing time, and pretty much I'm giving like a 3 to 5 day turnaround on both of them, and easy money. But I'm utilizing what I got. So I know you might want the shop and the nice things or whatever, but if you don't have them, you can still make it happen, man, because you can get the money, so that way you can do that. This is like my downtime, so I'm just making money, while I'm chilling. So someone's seen one of my ads that I've been posting. Like I say, proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. So as long as you prepare properly, things will go for you, man. But you sitting around and just waiting on something just to fall in your lap or something, man, it's not going to happen that way. So I would say just stay focused, stay consistent, and believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. I'm going to say that again. Stop worrying about what other people say. I can't tell you how many people told me the ideas that I had that wasn't going to work, or they might not go. Don't listen to people, man. You do what you do. You critique it, you get it right. There's somebody out there that needs it. HogOn.